puddles out here. That's right. So I'm doing another special basketball shoot around right here. Me representing my Klay Thompson jersey.
Tribute to my birthday.
Apparently, I'm no longer a Laker fan. I'm no longer a Laker fan. I'm a true Warriors fan now. A long time. Ever since the Warriors became a dynasty team with Steph and Klay. Lakers suck, man. They may be the best team in the West right now, record-wise, by the numbers. Ain't shit, dude. They don't compare to the Warriors, man. How did they get blown out last night like that against the Celtics? Come on, you tell me. That team sucks, man. Until they can prove to me that they got more than enough in their depth, at least a third scorer, and some solid shooting, some automatic shooters and shit, real D, real great teams. Ain't shit, man. That's why. Proven enough that Golden State is the champions from late in the 2010s and will be this year. Let's go Warriors.
Let's go Warriors. Let's go Warriors. Tribute to my birthday. Flat again, man, shit. I'm no longer a Laker fan. Tribute to my birthday.
That's enough for me, man. Woo! That's fine. Get through many layups, man. Easy peasy. I mean, a few threes. By far, I have to say, I'm doing so much better in my home court today than in the previous weeks. That being said, I'm heading on now. So, cut the fucking tape, man.